Hello friends, we were learning various operators that are present in Python. In earlier session we discussed about assignment operator in Python. In this session we will be learning about arithmetic operators in Python. As we have discussed, we use arithmetic operators to perform arithmetic operations. We have various arithmetic operators in Python. Arithmetic operators are binary operators because they require two operands in order to perform operation. Let's look the various arithmetic operators that are present in Python. First, we have addition operator. We use this plus sign to represent addition operator. Addition operator will take two operands. It will perform addition and give us the result. Then we have subtraction operator. We use this minus sign in order to represent subtraction operator. Subtraction operator will take two operands, it will subtract their value and give us the result. Next, we have multiplication operator. We use this asterisk sign in order to represent multiplication operator. It will take two values, it will multiply them and give us the result. Next, we have division operator. We use this forward slash in order to represent division operator. It will take two values, it will divide them and give us the result. Next we have modulus operator in Python. Modulus operator will return the remainder of a division. So whenever we perform division, whatever the remainder is, modulus operator will return that. We use this percent sign to represent modulus operator in Python. Next we have power operator in Python. Power operator is also known as exponentiation operator. We use power operator in order to perform operation like 5 to the power 6, 2 to the power 3, 10 to the power 4. So basically if we want to calculate power of a number, we use this power operator. We use two asterisk sign to represent power operator in Python. Next we have floor division operator in Python. We use two forward slashes to represent floor division operator. Floor division operator will take two values, it will perform division and give us the closest integer that is less than or equal to the result of the division. We will learn more about floor division operator in our coming session. These are various arithmetic operators that we have in Python. This was just an overview. In coming session, we will be learning about each of these arithmetic operators in details.